Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change hosting your website builder site title. The first thing I want you to do is just come here to hpanel.hostinger.com, and on the left hand navigation bar you'll see your different websites. So click here on websites, you'll see your different projects. Click on edit website for the one you want to change the site title. Now, there's two types of site titles. So we have this one right here. This is in the SEO, as you can see, Fresh Donuts in London. And here we have Dash Donuts, right? So we have Dash Donuts here as well. So if you click here on the header, you'll be able to change the logo text. Okay, if you have that set instead of an image, then you just come here, change your logo text. Let's do Dash Donuts London, for example. There you go. And we can also do, I'll just click on save. On the left hand side, you'll see SEO. Click on SEO, and here you'll see home, right? This is my home page, and you can scroll down. This is a search result preview. And then here you can change your SEO title. So we'll just make this dash, Fresh Donuts in London. Let's just do Dash Donuts London, okay, as our site title. So I'll make it like that, and it'll automatically save. Okay, just go ahead and wait for this to automatically save, and then if you refresh, this site title will actually change to just Dash Donuts London. As you can see, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.